In SMS Pharmaceuticals Private Limited versus Neeta Bhalla 2005 8 SCC 89, the Apex Court has held para. Section 203 of the Code empowers a magistrate to dismiss a complaint without even issuing a process stop. It uses the words after considering, and the magistrate is of opinion that there is no sufficient ground for proceeding. Stop. These words suggest that the magistrate has to apply his mind to a complaint at the initial stage itself and see whether a case is made out against the accused persons before issuing process to them on the basis of the complaint. Stop. For applying his mind and forming an opinion as to whether there is sufficient ground for proceeding, a complaint must make out a prima facie case to proceed. Stop. This, in other words, means that a complaint must contain material to enable the magistrate to make up his mind for issuing process. Stop. If this were not the requirement, consequences could be far-reaching. Stop. If a magistrate had to issue process in every case, the burden of work before the magistrate as well as the harassment caused to the respondents to whom process is issued would be tremendous. Stop. Even section 204 of the code starts with the words, if in the opinion of the magistrate taking cognizance of an offence there is sufficient ground for proceeding. Stop. The words sufficient ground for proceeding again suggest that ground should be made out in the complaint for proceeding against the respondent. Stop. It is settled law that at the time of issuing of the process, the magistrate is required to see only the allegations in the complaint and whether allegations in the complaint or the charge sheet do not constitute an offence against a person, the complaint is liable to be dismissed. Para. Prima facie, the evidence means the evidences and statements in the summoning a case has to be seen against the accused which are sufficient to constitute the offence. Stop. The inquiry under section 202 CRPC is limited only to test the truth or falsehood of allegations made in the complaint. Stop. It is thus to be seen whether the material placed by the complainant prima facie makes out case for summoning the accused or not. Para. In the present case, magistrate has not conducted any inquiry as to satisfy himself that the allegation in the complaint constitute an offence. Stop. He has to further record his finding that statements recorded by him are sufficient to proceed. Stop. The ground for proceeding against the applicant is provided under section 204 CRPC. Stop. The magistrate has not applied his mind and summons have been issued. Stop. It is needless to say that summoning in criminal case is a serious matter affecting the dignity, self-respect and image in the society. Stop. The criminal proceedings cannot be allowed for harassment. Para. I have gone through the judgments and perused the record. Stop. It is evidently clear that London magistrate has not applied his judicial mind. Stop. He has simply said that he is satisfied on the basis of the statement recorded under sections 200, 202 CRPC, and therefore he summoned the accused. Stop. The court has to record reasons while summoning the accused in complaint case. Stop. The court cannot pass cryptic order without discussing the evidences or other circumstances. Stop. I am setting aside the order dated 2/7/2008 and remanding the matter to the concerned court for passing a fresh order. Stop. It is open for learned counsel for the applicant to raise all the pleas available to him. Para. Learned counsel for the applicant will file certified copy of this order within a period of 20 days from today. Thereafter, the concerned court will take decision within a period of 2 months after affording opportunity of hearing to the parties concerned. Para. Needless to say that court concerned shall pass a fresh order in accordance with law. Para. The application is accordingly disposed of.